Oh, a little nervous. This is first ascent of mine, like a year and a half ago, and I don't think anyone's gone up it. And right now it's covered in spider webs. You see that off width up there? Last time I did this with 1.6, and I was fighting through that, which I later found out was pretty much the crux. But I very stupidly had no helmet, and I was fighting up that off width through thorns, bumping a single number 6. So I brought 2 number 6s today. It's so dirty. Come on. Cooperate, foot. Mystery hand jam in the critter hole. Ooh, piece coming down. Oh, rock. Yeah, I was really curious if anyone had done this route since I put it up. Because I don't know how to really grade trad routes. But I gave it a 9+. Okay. It'd be cool if I could sling this tree. I think I'm gonna get up in there and try to get something underneath this block. This tree is pretty solid though. I can definitely take a sling. Shoulder beta. It's nice and chilly in here. Okay. No critters. Oh, this is super cozy. Yeah, this isn't too bad at all. All right, let's do... I'm gonna get 2 in here because I am off the ground and I only have this many pieces. Yeah, I was super this way. Super surprised. Actually, let's spin this around. I was super surprised at how much discourse came from... Oh, there's a spider in here. Dang it. Okay, sorry, buddy. Don't kill me, bro. How much discourse became of my comment about slinging my trad pieces the way I do. Sorry, spider, I'll be out of here in a jiff. Okay. That was not bad at all. This ledge is pretty dirty. I might be raining some stuff down. Okay. Get a number 1 there if I wanted. I'm gonna move my 0.75 up there. After this spider fucking kisses me on the mouth. Super cozy. Okay. Someone's gonna tell me this piece is tipped out. But you know what? It ain't. Okay. I don't remember how to do this part. Alright, watch me, because it is business time. Maybe. I feel like I need a throw for this. Dang you, short legs. Yeah, watch out. Sorry. Oh, God. If I can get my left or my right foot up in this crack, that would be cool. It's very high. Man, what did I do here? There we go. Knee beta. Okay. That wasn't nearly as bad as I thought that was going to be. I guess there's to say nearly as bad as I remember it to be. I got all this stuff for feet. I remember that. I'm not going to sling this, which may be against my better judgment. I'm so filthy right now.
Yeah, I really can't see anything that you're doing, and I really need you to like talk to me.
Sounds good. I'll say something when something's going on. I'm gonna get a one in here before I do this. Very good. That fit very well. I'll do this. Ooh, look at that. Gotta watch out for that. Gotta replace that. Clean it out in a big way. All right, Valerie, I'm conducting business. Ooh, this joint. Take a little slack out of the system for me. Perfect, thank you. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna move this. Maybe I should fix that. That's not good. All right. There we go. That's okay. That looks okay. 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 That's not so good. There we go. That's pretty cool. I want my other one in also. Okay. Because I don't really excel at off-width, let alone overhanging. Oh boy, that was my foothold breaking. Our Valerie really heads up here. Okay. That wasn't too bad. Yeah, last time I was battling up through that. with a bunch of these vines coming down on me. Oh boy. Okay. Yep, there we go. That looked like it was gonna break. Okay. I'm in pretty good terrain. You can give me a little bit more slack. Oh boy. I'm just gonna take a little break here. Gain a little back. This thing protects pretty well. Like, check that out. That's great. That's super good. Oops. See, I have extendable slings on here. A lot of people in my comments are saying just get the DMMs, they have extendable slings. I mean, this is the length of a DMM extendable sling. Still, this 30 saved the day. It's almost like I've done this before. Okay. All right, I'm moving. Oh, yeah, there's those thorns. Great. Okay. So yeah, then it's just like a, I don't know, 12-foot run out to the anchor if you don't want to use that crack. It's all like pretty good. I'm gonna put one in though. I'm not trying to be a hero. Oh, this is why being colorblind is not super cool. Yeah, okay, I don't have a red. Huh, all right. I'm gonna double up on that. Beautiful. Yeah, there's a couple of first pieces underneath the roof. They're a little draggy, but you know what? We don't do it because it's easy. We do it because there's something wrong with us. This thing needs a leaf blower. But it's all here. Like, all the holes are here. Sorry? Yeah, I mean, sorry about the debris. Yeah, all this is pretty dirty. But yeah, it's pretty chill, right? Pretty chill route. A couple of cool moves. If it cleaned up, it'd probably be like 3 stars, yeah. All this gear I left is still here. That's just funky. Good game. Thank you for watching. That was a little easier than I thought. I was a little nervous going into that. Ooh, yeah, I need to bring a couple quick links up next time I'm up here.